Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? And welcome to not the Wednesday drawing show. I hope you've been having a wonderful holiday season. We've had snow here, which makes it feel very, very Christmassy and traditional here in England. Now, last week on the Wednesday drawing show, I got hit by trolls. I've sort of been hit by them once or twice before, but this was just a bit too much. I found all my attention was drawn away from the show to sorting out what was going on in the chat. And if you're not going to have chat, there's no point in doing live. I've looked into it and I can see that if I was to do more and more live sessions, I'm just going to get hit by more and more trolls and it gets worse and worse. So I've decided I'm not going to do live Wednesday drawing shows anymore, but I'm going to go back to very old format where I first started. So much has changed since I first did the Wednesday drawing show back in about 2011. That's 10 years ago. And the technology has changed and so many things on YouTube have changed that I think it might actually work now. So to make it successful, I need your help, because I think quite a lot of the Wednesday drawing show will be your input. I would like you in the comments box down below here to ask me questions about drawing and sort of let me know the kind of problems that you have with drawing or things you want to know about, and I will do my best to answer them or to find people who can answer them for you. Or maybe you're a little bit shy of being quite so public in the comments box down below. You can send your question or problem and maybe attach a little photograph of a picture that you've got a problem with to the Wednesday drawing show at shoorayner.com. And if you are lucky, I will choose your question to try and answer on the show. 2021 is going to be a bit of a new start for me, and I've been a little bit erratic on this channel the past few years. There are reasons for that. But now I'm getting much more focused back to drawing, which is what it says on the tin. And let's get back to some kind of a new normal on the Shoo Rayner drawing channel, which will be all about drawing. And I include watercolour and illustration in that as well. So there will be the Wednesday drawing show, and there will also be Monday and Friday videos, which will maybe follow up on the Wednesday drawing show, and will be how to draws, advice, and little exercises, all that kind of thing. The things that you like me to do on the Shoo Rayner drawing channel. So make sure you are subscribed and make sure that you ring that little bell to get all the notifications so that you know when new videos are coming along. Make sure you like the videos and all that kind of stuff, because it really does help the channel. And if you really want to help this channel, why not come and join me on Patreon, where I have a wonderful group of supporters who are helping me to keep this show on the road. And I'm trying to work out a little way so that maybe all my patrons can have their name come up in the credits right at the end of the Wednesday drawing show. So thanks for watching in the past, and as I say, make sure you're subscribed to make sure you keep watching in the future. And I will see you next week at the start of the new season of the Wednesday drawing show. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.